Welcome guys, today I will show you how to enter recovery mode on Motorola Edge 70. First, you should turn off the device. Simply click power key with volume up key and choose power off option. Then, let's hold down the power key and volume down key at the same time for a while until the screen will turn on. Alright, now we see the bootloader mode. Use the volume rocker to navigate here and power key to select the option. So let's go down and pick recovery mode. Accept it. Then wait for a while. Okay, now we see no command screen. So, to skip it, together click power key with volume down key or power key with volume up key. Okay, the power key with volume up key, it is emitted. So now we are in recovery mode. You can perform from here something like wave data factory reset and other things. To leave this mode, choose power off option or reboot system now. To navigate here, use volume rocker, volume down button for go down and volume up button go up. By using power key, you can choose the option, like here. So, that's it. Now you know how to enter recovery mode on Motorola Edge 70. If this video was helpful, like, subscribe the channel, leave some comment below, and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.